What if I told you that for all of science's triumphs, splitting the atom, landing on the moon, even peering billions of light years into the past, some of the biggest questions about our existence remain completely unanswered? These aren't small puzzles. They're questions that strike at the very core of reality, our purpose, and even our survival. Today, we're counting down 10 terrifying questions science still can't answer. Stay with me until the very end, because question number 1 might just make you question reality itself. Let's get into it. Number 10. What exactly is dark matter and dark energy? Look around you. Everything you see, stars, planets, even your own body, makes up less than 5% of the universe. The rest? It's something scientists call dark matter and dark energy. We know they exist because their effects can be seen. Galaxies spin faster than they should. Space itself is expanding at an accelerating rate. But what are they? No one knows. Dark matter is invisible, untouchable, and passes right through you every second. Dark energy? Even scarier. It's the mysterious force stretching the universe apart, and one day, it might rip everything into nothingness. Imagine that 95% of the universe is made of something science can't explain. Number 9. Why do we dream? Every night when you close your eyes, your brain slips into a strange theater of random stories, bizarre events, and impossible worlds. Dreams. For what? Scientists have studied brain waves, tracked REM sleep, and even recorded brain activity, and yet the purpose of dreams is still unknown. Some theories say dreams help us process memories, others claim they're survival training, allowing us to rehearse for danger. But then there are dreams that feel prophetic, dreams that come true. Science has no explanation for those. The scariest part? While you dream, your brain shuts off logic, making it impossible to tell fantasy from reality. For those few hours, you're trapped in a world your brain creates, with no escape. Number 8. What happens after death? It's the one certainty every human faces. But what actually happens when life ends? Science can measure the moment the heart stops, the brain flatlines, the body begins to shut down. But consciousness, that strange spark that makes you, remains a mystery. There are thousands of documented cases of near-death experiences, people floating above their bodies, traveling through tunnels of light, or encountering loved ones long gone. Skeptics say it's just chemicals in a dying brain. But others wonder, what if it's something more? No experiment has ever captured the moment the mind slips into death, and maybe it never will. Because whatever lies beyond is hidden behind the one door no one can come back through. Number 7. Where are all the aliens? Fermi paradox. The universe is mind-blowingly huge. Billions of galaxies, each with billions of stars, many with Earth-like planets. Statistically, there should be alien civilizations everywhere. So, where are they? This is called the Fermi paradox. Despite decades of searching, we found no signals, no spacecraft, no undeniable signs of extraterrestrial life. Some scientists say intelligent life destroys itself before it can spread. Others whisper darker ideas. What if advanced civilizations are out there, but they're deliberately hiding, or worse, watching us? Every star you see at night could host life. But the silence? That might be the most terrifying answer of all. Number 6. What is consciousness? You're hearing my words, you're aware of yourself, and you know you're alive. But what exactly is consciousness? Neuroscience can map brain regions, track chemical reactions, even predict decisions milliseconds before you make them. Yet no one knows why electrical signals in your brain create a sense of self. Some believe consciousness is an illusion, a trick of evolution. Others argue it might be a fundamental property of the universe, like gravity or time. Here's the unsettling part. If we don't understand consciousness, can we ever be sure machines won't one day wake up? Or that your own awareness is even real? Number 5. Why does time only move forward? Every clock you've ever looked at tells the same story. Time flows forward. You grow older, never younger. You remember the past, but not the future. For what? The laws of physics don't forbid time from flowing backward. In fact, most equations work perfectly well in reverse. Yet, in our universe, the arrow of time is strict and unforgiving. Some physicists think it's tied to entropy, the idea that everything naturally becomes more chaotic. But no one really knows. Could there be places where time flows differently? Or universes where it runs in reverse? The terrifying truth: time might not be what we think it is. Number 4. Why does the placebo effect work? Imagine taking a sugar pill, thinking it's medicine, and then your body actually heals. That's the placebo effect. Scientists have seen it cure pain, shrink symptoms, and even mimic the effects of surgery. All because the patient believed it would work. But how? The placebo effect suggests your mind can rewrite the rules of your body, which raises disturbing questions. If belief alone can heal, could it also harm? Could your mind make you sick, or even kill you, if it believed strongly enough? The brain has hidden powers science has barely scratched. And that might be the scariest medicine of all. Number 3. How did life begin? Billions of years ago, Earth was just a rock covered in oceans. Then, somehow, lifeless chemicals assembled into the first living cell. But how? Science has guesses: lightning sparking in primordial soup, deep sea vents brewing strange chemistry, or even life hitching a ride on comets. But none of these theories fully explain the leap from dead matter to living, breathing organisms. The gap between non-life and life remains one of science's biggest mysteries. And until we solve it, the possibility remains that we're a cosmic accident, or worse, that life here didn't start here at all. Number 2. What is the fate of the universe? Look up at the night sky. Every star you see is racing away, faster and faster. That's dark energy at work, stretching the fabric of space itself. But where does it end? Some scientists predict a big freeze, where the universe expands forever and all stars burn out, leaving endless cold darkness. Others warn of a big rip, where dark energy tears apart galaxies, planets, even atoms themselves. Still others suggest a big crunch, where gravity reverses the expansion and everything collapses into one final, fiery point. No matter the outcome, the end is inevitable. And the universe won't ask our permission before it happens. Number 1. Are we living in a simulation? Here's the most unsettling question of all. What if none of this is real? Some of the brightest minds in science and tech believe there's a chance we're living inside a computer simulation. Think about it. Video games today are nearly indistinguishable from reality. If technology keeps advancing, creating simulated worlds with conscious beings may not just be possible, it may be inevitable. If that's true, then odds are we're already inside one. Every law of physics, every mystery of the universe, might just be code written by an intelligence we can't comprehend. The terrifying part? There might be no way to prove it. And if the simulation's creators ever decide to pull the plug, we'd never see it coming. From the secrets of our dreams to the ultimate fate of the universe, these questions remind us how little we truly know. For all of science's breakthroughs, the biggest mysteries remain untouched, and maybe they always will. So, here's my question for you. Which of these unanswered mysteries creeps you out the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed diving into the unknown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because next time, we're uncovering mysteries that might change how you see reality itself. Until then, keep questioning, because the scariest answers are the ones science still can't give.